I just would like to ask if you have any last words about the digital nomadism. It's here to stay, and how do you think the world is evolving around it? What do you think it's going to look like in the next 5 years? And Darren?
I like to throw, I'm a bit contrarian, as you probably can tell.
I like that.
So I like to throw something, radical into the mix of it. There's this perception that in order to save on taxes, you need to become a nomad, you need to move out of your country, you need to find a cheap jurisdiction to live in. And, that point is made sensationally by those with something to sell. But when you look at the actual data, and for this, I like the work of Professor Cristobal Young. He was at Cornell University, but he's now at Stanford. He wrote a book called The Myth of Millionaire Tax Flight, and he harvested loads of anonymized data from the Internal Revenue Service in the US. And he also did some data analysis from Forbes magazine with international billionaires and multimillionaires. And the point that he makes is, again, using the statistics, the wealthier someone is, the more likely they are to stay in place.
Okay.
Yeah. So, and there could be perhaps a number of reasons for that. But one of the reasons is there's a well-developed, especially in the developed world, let's call them wealth protection or income protection professionals, including, people with my skill set, right? So it's not necessary to go to some far-flung places. It's a lifestyle choice, and power to you, and it doesn't, but if it is that it's a tax play, like some people try to sell, absolutely not. With the right tax planning, you don't have to move anywhere. You can stay put.
Yeah. Okay, so thank you. So the main takeaway here is to do your research. Do you know where you can still, if you want to run your laptop and run your company from the beach, you could still do that, but plan ahead, talk to specialists, and
So if you're a 6, 7, or 8-figure investor, entrepreneur, or business owner who needs a tailor-made solution from a qualified team of professionals, we can help you achieve the international lifestyle, the freedom, and even the tax savings you're looking for. Visit us at htj.tax and live that international life.